Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today December 1st time is 1:25 pm. Only opposite calls will generate. For example, opening scenario was a buy signal, but now the trend is changed, so sell signal has been generated in this chart. It's an automatic process. Automatically you will receive signal in this chart. Every day you are just going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. If you want to auto trading also means we will do the favor of by connecting this chart with your broker account, so you can do auto trading also. In auto trading, every day morning at 9 am you need to place the order, like how many lot you want to buy, like those basic things you need to provide. In live market at the time of signal generator. For example, today as you can see it's a gap up market. Here is the gap up signal, but today first fresh signal came at after 1:25 pm only. Up to 1:25 previous day buy signal only followed. Previous day at around 1 pm 43 to 45 a buy call generator. That momentum was flat trade up to 2 pm. After 2 pm it started to move in bullish momentum. After 3 pm it started to break out of target range, and today also that bullish momentum continued. In auto trading, it will place automatically the order in your broker account once the signal generated. So today at 1:25 sell signal generated, sell at 43,578, that is the entry point, and below red color line or target line, above line is the stop loss line. The first target range is more than 108 point. Okay, so second target is double of the first target range. Let's wait and see how this call working. Within 5 minutes of the sell call generator, it reached the first target and given more than 120 point profit. Like this only sell call generated and achieved the target. Bank Nifty weekly put option today expiring 43,500 put option. At 144 the buy call generated, and current scenario market trading at 270 range. Like this you can directly watch the option chart also, or you can place the order according to the future chart also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.